Digital key moments. Share your BMW Digital Key with other users. Our other how-to videos show you how to activate a digital key. Open the Wallet app on your smartphone. Click on the digital key and press the sharing symbol. Choose how you want to share your BMW Digital Key. Any messaging app will work. Optionally, restrict the key, for example for young drivers. Choose a receiving contact and go ahead to send the key. The shown activation code is necessary for security reasons if the key is not shared via Apple iMessage. For added security, send your contact the copied activation code via a different messaging channel. As a receiver, click on the link to add the shared digital key to your smartphone wallet and continue. Now you can already unlock the vehicle. To fully activate the key, go to Apps, Keys, Digital Key, Activate Smartphone. Type in the received code to activate your shared digital key. Alternatively, the shared key can be activated in presence of another active digital key or physical key. Done! You're ready to go.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?